talking. Hello, I'm Ruby. I'll show you how good my planting experiment will go. Today we'll learn about plants and flowers, about how you should plant them and why you can't plant them the way you can't. This will start by flower planting. This one helps. We're about to reach our destination, about seeing how frogs can be alive in this type of weather. This is a frog that has been seen before by me and my family. And this is only about to become its mom and dad, so please be careful seeing it. Now I'll let it go back and we'll look at some other things. There was a weed. See? There's a weed. There's also hematizement, like those type of weeds, and that branch, and that kind of, and that big bush. We have been done.